Have you grown sick of your phone's constant dull notifications? Would you like to shift but are unaware how to do it? How would you feel if I inform you that this video offers a variety of notifications, including payment notifications in addition to play notifications? Here, I'll show you a new method for making money that allows you to earn over $50 with just a few clicks. I can assure you that this tactic is entirely legal and very successful. It is totally free. Today, I'm going to show you some apps that just require one click to download and log in before you can start earning money online. Stay with me until the end so you don't miss any of the crucial information that can help you start making a lot of money online quickly and free of charge. But first, hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning should never be troubling. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. You may start making things happen by setting up a notification bell so that you are informed anytime we release a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a thumbs up as well. If you have any questions, comments, or other feedback regarding the video, don't be afraid to post them below. Now go ahead and type this website on your browser, InstaGC.com. You can download this to your phone and begin making money right now. This program is compatible with all phone models, so you may download it and use it on whatever phone you own, regardless of operating systems such as Android or iOS. In any case, if you have any worries, no matter how tiny, such as doubts about the accuracy or comprehensiveness of this app, please visit the official Facebook page of this app and read the numerous reviews that have been left by users from all over the world. It's also very crucial to know that you may view a ton of payment proofs that have been given to users all over the world, proving that this method is 100% genuine. You can see a lot of payment proofs that have been given to users all over the world, proving that this method is totally legitimate as shown in front of you. That person has made this much money, in addition to someone else here and another here, and so on. What's even better is that you can withdraw the money you made using a variety of payment options like PayPal, bank transfer, or any alternative payment method that can work and is accessible. You can visit their Facebook page to fill up any knowledge gaps and get any fears out of your head. So InstaGC is a combination of the words instant and GC, which stands for gift card. For every online activity you engage in, like survey completion, movie watching, online shopping, or web browsing, you can earn free gift cards. If you use this name, I prefer the technique that makes it easy and convenient for me to reach the link, which is watching videos. Since your sole objective is to view the movie, put your device down, get back to your regular routine, and possibly even complete something enjoyable as well. Watching these films is a great method to make money online. Allow me to provide a recommendation to increase your income, even though all of these methods are so easy that you can finish them with one hand, like searching the internet for surveys. Since I've only stated it here, try to take advantage of the time you have available by implementing all of the methods at once. For example, you may watch a video on your device, then return to pursuing the other strategies concurrently. To join up for InstaGC, merely visit their social media profiles or conduct a Google search for them. The next step is quite self-explanatory. You simply need to fill out a registration form and create an account by providing some personal information. I'll now provide the second website to you. It is called App Karma. You may utilize whatever gadget you have once more. This makes App Karma even another easy and cost-free way to make money online, since it supports both iOS and Android-based devices. If you want to join in on the fun, simply click the button and you'll instantly gain 300 points. You may also have fun and place various games on this website in order to earn money via PayPal or gift cards. Additionally, you have in mind that each 100 points is worth $1, meaning that if you gain 300 points, you will obtain $3 with the least bit of effort. Another way to make money with this app is through a referral program, which requires others to sign up with you. Simply copy your invite link and distribute it to as many people as you can together with your referral code. If they successfully join App Karma, you will receive a magnificent 30% commission reflected off the money they have made. Let's look at an example. Therefore, assume that you will receive 30% of the $100 earned by that person, or $30. Isn't that easy? Making money is possible without requiring you to engage in laborious, time-consuming, or tough activities. After a brief introduction, you can explore the app. You obtain daily incentives. Make sure to sign up every day. Additionally, each time a task is successfully done, you will receive a range of badges that will help your account continue to grow by enabling you to level up, since the quality of your prizes increases as you earn more badges. How convenient is it that you can now earn additional money? If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's go back to the subject. Are you still following me then? Because I want to discuss the third app, Cash Kick, in the next paragraph. Similar to other apps, Cash Kick gives you a selection of payment options to suit your needs. A claim can be submitted in a number of ways, including via bank transfer and PayPal. In essence, Cash Kick thinks that money is the finest thing you can earn, and I think we can all agree with that. As a result, you can use this app to make money by completing surveys, finding great deals, watching movies, and browsing the web. When you consider it, these strategies are really just routine tasks that we all perform on a daily basis. Why not earn some money from watching videos, as we all do it in our free time? Okay, it's time to finish the registration procedure. All you need to do is enter your email address and password. Then click this purple button that says Get Started immediately to finish. After that, you'll be all set to start earning money. The journey doesn't end there. Though next I'll show you the fourth app, SuperPay or superpay.me, as the website's name suggests. In contrast to the earlier services, InstaGC and CashKick, SuperPay only offers users a way to make money when completing surveys through loans. However, with this reputation behind you and more than $4 million given to users globally in a strong 2,925 Trustpilot reviews, you won't be let down at all. SuperPay is unquestionably a successful way to make money online. It also has a number of really helpful features, such as a 24-hour payment turnaround with a low cash-out threshold, the flexibility to work from home, numerous money-making challenges, a significant number of surveys that will pay you, and a very basic 20-cent sign-up incentive. The referral program, which will definitely be the best of the bunch, will be the last but not the least. Additionally, SuperPay is quite helpful with other forms of payment, like those from Amazon, PayPal, and Skrill. If you're feeling particularly doubtful, you might wonder if this is actually true. If so, you can choose from the options available right here on their website to claim your money. You have nothing to be frightened about because SuperPay is incredibly transparent, as seen by the thousands of consumers from over the world who have provided payment proofs in this section. As I've already mentioned, this software is in perfect working order and has received a large $4 million payment. Simply click the Join for Free Today button to access this page and register for free. Just provide a few pieces of personal information, your name, email address, and a few other things, and you'll be halfway there. To accept the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy, all you need to do now is enter your payment information so that they can choose how to make a payment to you. Check these options, then click the I'm not a robot box to confirm. At that point, your free SuperPay account will be operational. Everything is really quick and you can keep repeating the procedure as long as you like. Additionally, there is no restriction on how many apps you can use to increase your earning potential. Well, that's all. Thank you so much for watching The Money Hustle. If you found this video useful, then go ahead and click subscribe so you can see more ways to make money online the easy and simple way. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Like and comment here as well. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.